What's happening, guys? This is bike 3 of 3 of the Trail 70s, and I would suggest buying this one and buying the motor out of the 81 because this would be a kick-ass machine. Even the original paint on this thing will clean up. The front fender is in excellent condition. You can steel wool that chrome, it'll come out nice. The rims can be painted. It's still got the headlight. Everything's intact on this except for the motor. The seat is going to need a new cover, but those are readily available. And this is a great parts bike, just needs a motor. It's got the carburetor and intake, original Japanese carbon intake, the original brake lever, the rear fender, the shock, rear wheel, everything's there. It has a double engine down tube. It has ignition, missing the key, but the ignition's still intact. So this is what I would call a good roller. It just needs a little love, that's for sure. So, if you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Forks are nice and straight on it. Has a broken speedometer. Bars are a little bent. Got a little ding in the headlight ring here, but if you had a motor in here, the front brakes are locked up from sitting for 2 decades. This was stored indoors at main cycle. What the hell was that? Wow. Drag car. This is one of the bikes from main cycle, so it's been in our inventory for a couple years, and we finally came to the conclusion we're not going to do anything with it. So one of the 3, we have 3 of these 70s, this is number 3. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.